Hey Pete, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels.SUPPORT. So we'll go over this real quick. So I do see the message here. All right, so right off the bat, it's talking about your contacts. You know that. So right here, this is a recent feature that we just rolled out recently for all account types to have basically an unlimited amount of contacts. Okay. So right here, you have 4 out of, you can see here, basically infinite amount, over 1 million there. Okay, so you're good to go there. All right, so don't worry about that. These messages here are still kicking out as each account is kind of updating and going through the process of catching up to the new features. Okay, now I'm just going to go for good measure. Just go check out your SMTP. So just so you know, so if you have any issues with your SMTP service. So this is your mail service that basically it's just like the post office. I'm sure you know, just delivers your mail. So if you have any issues with that, go ahead and reach out. Okay. Let's see. So it says continue setup. So this tells me there's another step that you need to complete here. All right. Let's go to your settings. Verify email. This looks okay. Go back one step. Click here. Let me see. Hold on here a second. There it is. Continue setup. All right, so I see you white labeled these. Go ahead and click this. Go through. If you haven't done that already, make sure that those get validated. All right, and if you have any issues moving forward with any of your email or anything like that, or if you already know that you're having issues with any email going out, just let me know. Otherwise, you can go ahead and ignore that initial message, that alert there, referring to your maximum number of contacts. Okay, so we know that's not true. All right. Now, just moving forward, just go and go through this process, and then also, if you have any issues with any email connectivity or your emails going out, just go and let me know. Okay. Otherwise, you're good to go. All right.